add or remove a beam in note groups in Crescendo. To toggle the automatic adding of note beams on or off, go to the Notation toolbar. Click the Beams drop-down and toggle on or off the Automatic Beams mode. Beams will be automatically added to contiguous groups of short notes, such as 16th notes, when the feature is on. When the feature is off, beams will not be automatically added to short notes. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on using beams on short notes. Crescendo provides the user with the option to automatically add beams to 1/8 or shorter notes to make the score easier to read. You can toggle on or off the automatic adding of short note beams by selecting the Notation toolbar, then click the Beams drop-down and select Automatic Beam mode. When toggled on, beams will be automatically added to contiguous groups of short notes. When off, beams will not be automatically added to short notes. You can add beams to selected groups of short notes that are not grouped with a beam. Select a group of short notes, for example, select a measure. Then, on the Notation toolbar, click the Beams drop-down and then select Automatic Beam. To remove beams, select the notes from which you wish to remove beams, and then, on the Notation toolbar, click the Beams drop-down and select Break Primary Beam. If you select a single note, the beam to the left of the single selected note will be broken. If the note selected is the leftmost of the beamed notes, nothing will happen. You can also right-click on a note, then go to Group in the menu and make your selection. You can break just some of the beams by selecting Break through secondary 16th, 32nd, or 64th beam, rather than break primary beam. When beams are partially removed, short sections of beams remain to retain information about the note length. This remaining short length of beam generally runs to the right of the note, with the last note's beam length running to the left of the note. For more Crescendo tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.